for Sajid and me, I mean, we've seen the best of Bollywood in the sense when till I was 5 years old, we were very rich and we had a Impala and the parties and all the stars would come home. And then there was one film which my father made called Aisa Bhi Hota Hai, and he put all his money in it and it tanked on the Friday morning. And that's not funny. But okay. It is funny now, but it wasn't funny then. And it is literally a riches to rags story. And sometimes when you see movies, and that's really what happened to us, like literally the gramophone from the house was being sold and my mother's jewelry. Literally over the years, there was everything gone. There was just a 500 square foot flat which remained, which he couldn't sell because it was in my mother's name. And from there to struggle, and my father unfortunately died literally without having worked for 15 years. He died. When he died, he had 30 rupees in his pocket. So when people tell me, oh, you've come from a filmy background and oh, you've had a privileged background, I really want to get up and give them one tight slap, because it was literally like we had 30 rupees and I had to run around and ask money for his funeral, and Aksha will know that because her dad was my dad's younger brother. Then I forced Mansoor Khan to keep me as an assistant, literally hounded him, and I have to thank Sarojji because she didn't land up for the shoot of Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar. Literally didn't land up, and I think that's how it always happens. Someone doesn't turn up and there's always someone waiting in the wings. And I was given a chance to choreograph Jo Jeeta. Suddenly from the fourth assistant, I was made the choreographer of the film, and that, I think that is destiny. But then when it comes knocking on your door, you have to be prepared to. So I was fully ready. I was like, I can do this, I want to choreograph. I can do it better than Sarojji. Though of course at that point I couldn't. But I did Jo Jeeta and I did Pehla Nasha, which had a fresh take to it in those days. It's been 21 years now and still it's a cult classic love song.
And everything. But when you're being asked questions, when you're on the receiving end, do you think you like doing that? What do you think? Or
yeah, it depends, रुद्रानी, क्योंकि Zoom के क्वेश्चन से मैं हमेशा ही परेशान रहती हूँ और मुझे हमेशा ही डर लगता है आप लोगों के क्वेश्चन से. लेकिन आज जब बॉस डायलॉग्स में मैंने मास्टर क्लास ली, आई थिंक देयर वर सम वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस और बहुत ही मतलब थॉटफुल सवाल लोगों ने किए, और एक सवाल नहीं किया विच आई वाज वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर कि हैप्पी न्यू ईयर की हीरोइन कौन है. ये सवाल किसी ने नहीं पूछा आज.
बट आपने जब होस्ट किया था उस टाइम बहुत सारे देख रहा था, अभी बहुत सारे पर्सनल क्वेश्चन लगे, आपको कुछ पूछा गया था आपके पर्सनल क्वेश्चन?
नहीं, इंदु मीरानी जो होस्ट कर रही थी उन्होंने ऑब्वियसली पर्सनल क्वेश्चन पूछे, जैसे कि अपने चाइल्डहुड के बारे में, या बट दे वर ऑल वर्क रिलेटेड एंड आई हैव नेवर हैड अ प्रॉब्लम हाइडिंग एनीथिंग अबाउट माय पास्ट, सो इट वाज इजी टू से. लेकिन अब मैं थक चुकी हूँ.
फरहा, आपका चैट शो हुआ करता था, एंड वी रियली मिस, वी होप इट गेट्स रिवाइव्ड अगेन. You're making that face, we want to know why.
It was very tiring to handle all those actors who are coming and to handle their dates and their problems. So I will leave all chat shows for Karan to do now.
But no, wouldn't you want to come back to it ever? I mean,
it was, frankly speaking, it was very painful.
Reality show, but everyone is looking for reality show. Are you planning?
Reality show तो मेरा कल चालू हो जाएगा. डांस इंडिया, डांस सुपर मॉम्स 9 बजे Zee TV पर.
on Super Moms, up tak you've made everybody dance. So do you think here you have to go a little liberal because they are housewives?
बाबा, I want to tell you, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये जो मम्मीज़ हैं वो हाउसवाइफ्स हैं, उनको डांस नहीं आता है, वो बेचारी है, हमने भी पहले ऐसे ही सोचा था, लेकिन 3 ऑडिशन के बाद हमको उन्होंने पूरा स्टेज हिला डाला, because they are no less than any rocking dancer that you've seen on television. They are absolutely fantastic.